Good morning, children. Today we will start with a new lesson in Moral Science, Chapter 6, Worth of Money. So, in this chapter, we will have a story which will tell you about the importance of money. Worth means what is the value for money, what is the importance of money in your life, how can you save your money, okay? So, in your book, first thing you will put a tick on value taught, you will put a tick on life skills developed, and then you will put a tick on the golden words which says a penny saved is a penny earned by Benjamin Franklin. So what does this mean? That if you keep on saving your money slowly and slowly, a time will come that you will have enough of money, okay? So that is what it means. A penny saved is a penny earned. So I will read the chapter. If I will find anything difficult, I will explain you. Okay? Children, today money has become a very important element of life. Though money cannot buy everything, its availability solves various types of problems. So money is very, very important, as we all are seeing. We all know that without money we cannot do anything, okay? If we need to buy something, we need to have money for it, okay? But money cannot buy everything, okay? Money cannot buy happiness. Only the thing is that when you want to go for any materialistic things, you need money. You are admitted in a hospital, you want to pay the fees to the doctor, you need money. You want to go for shopping, you need money to buy your clothes, you need money to buy the fridge, the TV, the furniture. For all that you require money, okay? So this is what they are saying, that it plays a very important part in your life. As such, at this early age itself, you should learn how to make the best use of money. You are very small, so they are saying that this is the right time that you should learn about how to save money, so that in the times of need, that money saved by you can help you in your difficult times. So saving money is what we are going to see, why it is important. That is what we are going to study in this chapter. There is a story also, that also we will do. You must be getting pocket money or small amounts of money from elders on different occasions. Out of the money you get, you should spend some amount on the things that are essential. Essential means that are important and useful for you. The balance amount on the things that are essential, the balance amount should be saved by you to be used as and when some need arises. So you have your relatives coming to your house sometimes during Diwali, Holi, your birthdays, they give you some amount of money as a gift, okay? So what they are saying is that you should not spend the whole of the money, but keep some amount as your saving. And then when you require that money later on for anything else, you can use that saved money afterwards, okay? So spend only little and save a lot. That is what the moral of the chapter is. Children, spending money is very easy. You need to spend money. It is very, very easy. But to earn money, it is very, very difficult, okay? However, earning is very difficult. You should not spend money on wasteful and useless things. Things which are not required. You should not spend money on that, okay? Never become a spendthrift or believe in extravagance. Don't become a person who just goes on spending and spending and spending like this just to show off people that you've got so many things and you've got such beautiful things in your house or in your life. So you just have to be very, very easy going when you are spending your money. You don't have to show off to anybody. You don't have to become a spendthrift. Spendthrift means a person who goes on spending money like anything. While spending money, act wisely and use your intelligence. Never waste your money on buying too much chocolates or toys. Save it for emergency situations. So don't keep on spending just like that, but keep on saving your money also, so that you can need it when you require it.